There she goes. Sassy has a new bag. She's trying to figure out how to do it vertically, but I don't know if she's quite strong enough. Yesterday she made it in our neighbor's yard. The neighbor had to drag her bag home. Let us know she's trying to escape. She's got it all figured out. Where you going, Sassy? Where you going, Meow Meow? Show Sunny how you do this. Come on. Show us how you do it, Mouser. Oh, there she goes. There she goes again. Oh, she's stuck. Come on, Sasser. Oh, bye-bye. Gonna take a break? Bye-bye, Mama. Oh, bye-bye, kitty.